Hello, Faisal here. Welcome to Bullseye Digital Marketing Tips. Learn how to build passive income the easy way. Grab my free book at bullseyedmtips.com, free ebook by an expert. Financial Freedom from the Rat Race Lifestyle. This is my book, Best Affiliate Products Revealed. You can grab this free ebook. I'm going to be discussing today chapter 3 of this book, and you can get more information and details if you download this free ebook. Where do you look for products to start promoting? This is not as easy as many people say it is and requires a lot of effort. There are not too many places where you can look for products, and most of them are known. We will take each of these individually to discuss their pros and cons. Google AdSense. This is one of the easiest ways to spot products to sell. Wherever you type out any search string, you will get sponsored ads on the right-hand side of the page. Usually these ads would have been put up by affiliates wanting to increase traffic to their website. For example, if you type in herbal beauty cream in the search bar, you will get 5 ads on the right-hand side of the result page. Barring one, all of the others are affiliate sites that sell different kinds of herbal beauty products. Just looking at the different products they sell will start you off on your search for a product to market. The negative of this method is that you will be entering a crowded market. If there are 4 ads by an affiliate themselves, think of the total number of affiliates who'll be marketing these products. Check out your competition. This is one of the easiest ways to find products. If you're in a niche, you will be aware of whom your competitors are, and all you must do is follow their lead. This is the easiest way because you let someone else do all the legwork for you, while all of you must do is copy them. The drawback to this model is that you're always following the leader. Depending on how long it takes for you to set up your site, get content posted with everything else you have to do is get it is ranking up. So you may very well miss the boat. Use affiliate programs. There are several affiliate programs like Google Affiliate Networks, ClickBanks, and Warrior Plus. ClickBanks and Warrior Plus is generally what I use. That allow you to browse through sites that have registered with them and who are open to using affiliates. It is like what you do with Google results page ads, but the difference is that you get much bigger number of sites from which to choose. You can search according to product, niche, or identify the product you want to go with. Different sites will offer different percentages of commissions. While going with the one that offers the highest commissions may seem like a good idea, it may also mean that the very high commissions is because of the difficulty in selling the product. A more easily sellable one may be a lower commission per sale, but total sale volumes may be greater, giving you more total income. Most of these affiliate programs will give you a track record of the company that you want to start marketing for. This is very important because if you are pulled in by a scam artist, sells his products, and he does not pay you, there is very little you can do about it. Checking the track record of various sites will give you the knowledge that you require to weed out the strong candidates from the not so strong. The ones I generally use are ClickBanks and Warrior Plus. These are trusted sites that have been around for a very long time, and they do pay you after a certain period. So, for example, if you sell on ClickBanks, you make a sale, and you'll get the money within a week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks. It all depends how you have it set up in the back end. But generally, these sites are trusted sites that you will get paid through, and you can either get paid through your PayPal or directly to your bank account. Look up online stores. This is becoming very popular nowadays. Amazon actively encourages affiliates with their sales volume increasing by leaps and bounds. It is relatively easy to make a sale on Amazon. Not only that, their whole affiliate marketing system is mostly automated, and there are no payment issues at all concerning commissions. There are a few negatives here, with Amazon offering the lowest commissions anywhere on the net. They start off at low as 4%, and many times you will have to work hard to start seeing any money from your sites at all. Many affiliates drop out because they will be putting in more than they're getting out of. Usually, the ClickBank and Warrior Plus sites, you get commissions anywhere from 30 to 50% or more, depending on the product that you're selling. So this is why I like to promote affiliate products from ClickBank and Warrior Plus. Amazon has been taken simply as an example, and the same is true for any online store that you want to start marketing for. All of them know the value of affiliates. Although there is no minimum qualification that you need to become an affiliate, it is better if you have an existing website with a bare minimum amount of traffic monthly. It shows that you are in it with your eyes open and for the long term. Approach potential partners. This is something that you can do only after you're really set up with a good site and you're doing business. You can approach both online partners and offline ones to check with them if they would be interested in having you market their products. This will work only if you are able to offer an already existing marketing network with both large amounts of traffic as well as sales going on in your site. Most companies are interested in increasing sales and opens to commissions if you can give actual increase in sales. For example, if you're able to convince Ferrari or Lamborghini that you're a good person to start an affiliate program with them, it does not mean that you will be able to sell even one car. You need to research into the market to find such products that have a reasonably good chance of being sold online. Google search. This is a simple way for you to find anything that you're looking for. If you want to enter the health and fitness niche, just Googling health and fitness will give you several products. This is very time consuming, but there is nothing better to give you an impression of how the market is. Even with all the amount of online activities that is going on, not every niche is crowded. And sometimes there may be new products that have been launched in the market and you will not find more than one or two sites promoting it. Getting affiliated and starting marketing is going to be very easy simply because there is little competition. Getting to be number one ranked site is very easy as long as you take time, take some basic precautions like including it in your site URL, putting in at least a couple of good quality content that is optimized towards that artist, name, and other related keywords. Interest may taper off within just a matter of weeks, but you would have taken advantage of the wave public interest and have ridden high on it because it got an early start. Sign up to receive my free ebook to learn more. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow us on social media for more updates. Thank you for watching.